Did you ever wonder two people coming from same background yet they are different in their life? Their success, their failure, their achievement, their growth, their relationship are different. Even twin who born on the same day, upbringing done by same parents, same education, same environment, but in life they are different. The reason is they have different mindset. Mindset is the way people think. Mindset is the attitude people has. Mindset is the set of assumption people have, and accordingly they take the action. Mindset is important because it determines someone's success, failure, growth, everything. In the same situation, people behave different. You must have heard that example of half full glass or half empty. Same glass of water, two people perceive and think differently. One person is looking for the full and other person is looking the empty. Different kind of mindset people has. For example, the fixed mindset versus growth mindset. In the fixed mindset, people are fixed. Whatever they have, whatever they know, they operate from that only. Whereas growth mindset, people always looking for more opportunity, learning and growing in life. Other mindset is negative and positive. For example, if suddenly rain started, one person will think, oh, I'll get wet, I have to go somewhere, my work is stopped, why raining? Whereas other person will enjoy the rain. He will find out the way to adjust, accommodate, and he will find the solution. But negative people always see problem, always find problem in any situation. If you go to any marriage party, there will be somebody who will look for this is not there, this is missing, this is lagging, this is bad. Whereas other person will think what is good. Everything he will find good things. Right? Other type of mindset is negative. Other type of mindset is closed mindset versus open mindset. Some people are closed. They don't want to know more. They don't want to explore. Even if you share some opportunity, he is not ready to explore. Whereas open mindset, they will look at it, examine it, go into deep, explore it, and then they will take the decision. Other type of mindset is a scarcity versus abundance. Somebody always cribbing and crying, always operating from what they have. Whereas the people who operate from abundance mindset, they always look for the possibility. They always operate from the place here where he want to be, not place where they are today. These are the different mindset people has. So how to change the mindset? If someone want to change the mindset, the good thing is that you can change your mindset. There are different ways to change the mindset. The first method you can apply is wearing a different cap or getting into others' shoes. Because when you look from their point of view, your view will change. You know the example of 6 and 9. If you look 6 from this side, it will look 6, but from other side it will look 9. So change your point of view. Also change your metaphors, words and phrases what you use. Change your assumptions what you carry about anything. If you change your assumption, then you will have different perception. These are the method you can change your mindset. And in life, 80% what matter is mindset. only 20% skills matter. But from childhood, what we focused on, always on either on information or on a skill, but we never learn about the mindset. But in life, the success and achievement, everything depends on the mindset. Two people can have same tool, same skill, but yet because of mindset, they will achieve different result. So mindset is reality, it is not myth.